So today we are going to set up and review the wheeled portable table. Stay tuned. So the company 3D Match USA reached out to me in regards to reviewing one of their products, which was weather mats for your car. However, I already have WeatherTech, so I told them that. But instead, they sent me a wheel portable table. I'm doing a voiceover because I'm in my driveway and there's a lot of noise from the streets and it's very windy. So a little information about it. It does install really easy. You don't need any tools. Mounts right to your vehicle's tires. It is very portable. It's sturdy construction. It is made of high carbon steel and it is very durable. You can take it with you whether you're camping, tailgating, hunting, and it has a power coated finish that also resists weather conditions. Here are the dimension sizes of the table and the tripod. Now I looked everywhere. I could not find the weight on this table, but I'm kind of estimating it to be about 2 pounds. This is also a great accessory for your table. It's a hanging caddy that has pockets in there so you could put stuff in it. So all that comes in the box is actually just a table and a small sheet of directions, which you really don't even need. It's pretty easy just to look at it and put it together. So the problem you see is that the U-bar did not fit my tire. So I contacted the company and he said to take off the U-bar because on certain tires it may not fit. But you can take the U-bar off and just put the leg on the bars and it should fit then. So once you have everything extended, you just push it into your wheel well, make sure it's flush against your tire, and it's already set up. The two tripod legs have two bolts on each side where you can either raise or lower the legs depending on what kind of terrain you're on. So you can see how heavy duty that the table is. It's very strong. It's very secure to your tire. If you want to lower the legs or bring them up if you're on the incline, you can adjust them as such. So taking it down was really easy. You take the U-bar, put it back on. You'll unlock both of the brackets, lower them. And you also go to the legs and you will shorten them back up. There's just a little bolt that you would turn. And there you go, all back together. So my final thoughts on the portable table. When I first got it and I took it out, put it together, which doesn't take very long at all, and realized that it's not going to fit in my tire. And when I contacted the company, they told me for different size tires you had to take the U bracket off and just put it in there with the actual legs, and so it's flush to your tire. Once that was on, no problem. I mean, it takes 5 minutes, not even that long, 3 minutes to put it together, clip it, shove it in. It's very secure to the tire. It's not going anywhere. Those legs are solid. The table itself is made of high carbon steel, so it's not going to rust, and it is very solid. I didn't add that in there, but it will take, I believe 40 pounds is the max to put on top of it. So, and you don't have to use it just for camping. I've seen people that in videos that actually use it to, who work on their car and, you know, set their tools up there and stuff. Make sure it is on the back tire, because if you have an awning up, you definitely want some protection over you. The front's not going to do it because your awning's not going to reach that far out. So you have to make sure that it is on the back tire. So the only con that I do have for the table is the legs. The legs should have some kind of snap on it because they just flop down once you start to fold them up. So that would be the only thing that I would say that maybe they could change that portion. But beside that, table's awesome. I can't wait to use it. So it'll be great to throw in the trunk of your car, throw it in the back of your truck, because you never know. Wherever you go, you may need a table. So I really like it, and I'm going to put a discount code and a link in the description of the video. And so if you guys are interested into purchasing it, they're a great company too. I mean, I contacted them and told them this is not fitting. I would really hate to send this back because this thing is heavy duty. But they were nice. They sent me the directions on what to do. So if you are new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, give me a like, turn that bell on, and I'll see you guys on my next video. Ciao.